And the next part of collaboration we're going to show you is the approval of sales orders. So if the sales order total is greater than $10,000 and the location is 1, then Terence and Anne have to approve in sequence. But if the sales order is greater than 10,000 and any other location other than 1, Natalie approves, followed by Steve. But all other sales orders, that is, they're less than $10,000, Wallace needs to approve. Over to you, Terence.
So let's proceed and use this customer to now create a sales order. So under the TeamWork rules, so let me just go back to extender TeamWork rules. Let's move and create a new sales order. So this is now another workflow wherein we have set up approval for new sales orders based on order total as well as location. So here you can see under the what, I have any orders greater than 10,000 and within location 1 to fall under Terence and Anne. So under the how section, you can see how we have linked the order total field in the SO header table, as well as add a parameter for location. So notice that we have here some preset fields that we can use to create our parameters, but we can always click on F6 and call out all of the fields available in that table. So it can be practically anything as basis for parameter. And then again, who is approving it? If the order was also greater than 10,000, but any other location would then fall under Natalie and Steve. And then the third rule would be anything less than 10,000 would then fall under the approval of Wallace. So these are our example of an SO approval workflow. So instead of using the standard Sage 300 order entry screen, what I want to do now is just quickly show you how we can create orders within the AutoSempli Sales Anywhere app. So imagine now a salesman visiting the customer and then taking his order on the go. So this is just logging into the app. Which customer do we sell to? So I'll just use our new customer record, 1430. And then what kind of transaction am I doing? Is it order, shipment, or order, shipment, and invoice? For today, let's just keep it simple. I just want to create an order and then trigger the approval. So for items, I'm just selecting which item we want to sell. Since we want to also show you the manufacturing order approval later, let me just pick up an item with a bomb. And then let's just say this is for an order quantity of 20. So this is an example of creating an order for a total of 1,760. I can just post. And this is now creating that sales order within Sage 300 via the Sales Anywhere app. So at this point, in the background, again, TeamWork would be triggered. It would create order 77, but that would be automatically put on hold. On the desktop, let me show it to you. So if I go now to Sage 300, order entry, the last order that we have created would be order 77. And again, you can see the notes here indicating that this order has been put on hold pending approval, this time by Wallace. It is because it's less than 10,000. And let's now go into AC chat. I'll just log out as Anne and log in as Wallace. All right. So this is now logging in, and then you can see that there would be an automatic notification coming from TeamWork that this order 77 is pending approval. So at this point, I can see the details. If I wanted to trigger a custom inquiry, again, maybe I want to see the customer information, like customer statistics, customer address. If I want to, I can even look at the item details using this inquiry within AC Chat. Eventually, let's say I approve. So this is now approval of the uh, sales order by Wallace. So notice that all of our approvals are using our chat approval screen. So it would be very easy to use, very intuitive for the approver. And at this point, it's already approved. If we go back now to the desktop, I would now see that there is order 77. It has been released. And I could see under the note that this was approved by Wallace and any comments that Wallace might have wanted to put in while doing this approval. So that's a very simplistic way of doing SO approvals. Again, we have the facilities to do 2 level, 5 up to 5 levels of approval if we wanted to.